Hey guys, Red here with Section 8 Real Estate Investing. Thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave your comments and questions below. I'll get to every single one of them. Today's message is pretty quick, all right? And it's a theme that comes up over and over again when we're talking about rental properties, not only Section 8 properties. And it's crappy work equals crappy treatment. Crappy things get treated like crap. What do I mean by that? Well, this is what I mean. If there's some damage to your wall in a room and you don't want to pay to get it fixed, you don't have any experience in sheetrock work, but you think you can maybe paint over it, putty over it, and just make it look acceptable, you do that, you want to cheap out on it, it doesn't look good, someone's gonna not treat it good, okay? Same thing, you want to cheap out on some appliances for your unit. So instead of buying a new stove oven for $500, you go to a used appliance store, and instead of spending $500 or $600, you spend $350 and you get something that's used, beat up, it's got some stains on it, it's got some dents and scratches, it's gonna be treated like crap, okay? Crappy appliances are gonna get treated like crap, crappy paint jobs are gonna get treated like crap. If you treat it like, if you do a crappy job doing it, that's how it's gonna get treated, right? You walk into a really nice house and you say, wow, I'm gonna take really good care of this. You walk into something that looks like junk, you're gonna treat it like junk, okay? Don't cheap out, make it look nice, get it done right, and if it's a little more expensive on the front, it's gonna get treated as such, and it's going to make your money last, okay? By not spending an extra couple $100s up front, it's gonna cost you hundreds more on the back end, all right? Don't do a crappy job, do a good job. That's it, that's the video. Thanks for watching, guys. Leave your questions, comments below. I'll get to every single one of them.